It's recycling.
Turn the breaker off here. Oh dear, the clutch bearing is broke off. I can fix it.
Good thing we're close to the shop. What are you going to do?
I'm going to put the Brunswick clutch bearing support on there.
Oh, you can use that in an emergency?
In a quickie. Self-tapping screws are the best.
Don't you need a screw in the front as well?
I'll probably drill out a hole and screw it in after the league's finished. This is just to get through the league.
Oh, good.
Clear. Turn the breaker on.
Clear.
There, we're back in business.
All right on. That was a quick fix. So I guess if we had put these on before it broke, they'd probably never break, would they?
Well, we've done that to all our pin setters already, so we don't have that problem.
Good point.